Hello and bah humbug. Today we'll be making dfeen, which roughly translates to rice with something buried in something. The name is in reference to the deep flavor that this dish is buried in. It's normally made with chicken or lamb. For this video we'll be using chicken. Sometimes I use a whole chicken, sometimes I just use breasts. It's up to you. The whole chicken will definitely be more rich in flavor, but will take longer, while the breasts are healthier and take significantly less time. For this video we'll be using breasts. First, set a large pot on high heat with 3 chicken breasts and add 6 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and let simmer for 20 minutes. Then take your chicken out and set it aside, as well as your broth. Now set your heat back up to high. Add to the pot 1 stick of butter, 2 sliced onions, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of sumac, optional. Mix well, then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix well again. Let your onions cook until they are soft, stirring occasionally. So I've gotten some new recording equipment, and this is my first time using it. My head wasn't supposed to be in all of these shots, but this is literally my 3rd attempt at recording this video. First attempt, the battery died in the middle of recording and I didn't realize until it was too late. And the second time, same thing happened, except it was my gimbal overheating. But at least this time I have the footage, even if my big head is taking up half the shot. Please bear with me as I'm continuously learning how to record videos. Anyways, as the onions are cooking, chop your chicken into bite-sized pieces. Once your onions have been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes and are starting to soften, add your chicken broth back to the pot as well as your chicken. Then add 2 cans of garbanzo beans and 2 cups of rice. Mix well, then cover and bring to a boil and reduce to a simmer. Once most of the liquid is gone, about 20 to 25 minutes, mix well one last time and it's ready to serve. Garnish with Leban, which is a Lebanese style yogurt, and just so happens to be next week's video, so I will come back later and add a link in the top right corner for that recipe. You can always substitute Greek yogurt if you want, I won't tell anyone. I also like to garnish it with a little bit of sumac and parsley. Thanks for watching everyone, goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.